What's up guys, it's Vishal here back with another video, and today we'll be reviewing the Sony Wi-Xb400 wireless earphones. I have already made an unboxing video which I will link down below, so do check it out. I'm going to split the review into different segments. So let's start with the build quality and durability. The earphone is completely made out of plastic, but this is a good kind of plastic and it doesn't feel like it's gonna fall apart anytime soon. The cable is flat type, so it's completely triangle free. There are two plastic housings on either side. The left side has the volume rockers, the power button as well as the charging port, while the right has nothing on it. The buttons are nice and tactile, and you need to long hold the power button to turn it on or off. There's an LED indicator which shows if the earphone is on. The earbuds are angled and fit comfortably in my ears. You also get additional ear tips to fit your ear size. Overall, the fit and finish is fine apart from one major flaw. That is, when this earphone is around my neck, if only one bud is in my ear, the other one's weight will pull it towards it. This wasn't happening on the Bullets Wireless, as the band had grip rubber to avoid sliding. Apart from that, I have no complaints. Moving on to its audio quality, I'm really impressed on this part. It's advertised as an extra bass earphone and definitely delivers on this part. The vocals are good and the music is really punchy. And since it's an in-ear type earbud, you get some amount of noise cancellation, even though it does not have active noise cancellation. And it gets pretty loud and there is no buzz on the higher volume levels. So this is a solid earphone if you're looking for something which has good sound quality. Moving on to its connectivity, it has a very wide range when it comes to connectivity, but the problem is the pairing process. It's a hit or miss most times. I keep switching between my laptop and phone, and each time I have to connect it, it is a hassle. Sometimes it refuses to connect to my phone, so it works about 7 out of 10 times, which is bad for a earphone from Sony. But it doesn't have a problem connecting to my laptop. So once it gets connected, there's no problem in it getting disconnected. There is one more thing which I didn't mention in the build of the earphone, is that the earbuds have magnets at the end. So once you're done using, you can connect them, but it doesn't stop playing, nor does the earphone shuts off. This feature was available on the Bullets Wireless, so every time you're done using, you must manually pause the music and press the power button to turn off the earphone. This isn't something deal-breaking, but it's worth noting. Up next, we have its battery performance. Sony claims that the earphone lasts for about 15 hours, and it really holds good. I recently went on a vacation and was on a 4-hour flight and then a 2-hour flight. All that time I was listening to music and watching movies, yet the battery did not run out. I'm happy to say that it will last you a complete day of usage. And to top it up, it uses USB Type-C and has quick charging as a bonus. So you will have no problems when it comes to its battery performance. Finally, we have pricing, and is it worth it? It is priced for about 2,400 to 2,700 depending on the color. And I would like to say that it's well worth it. Even though it has a few hiccups, if you're willing to look past those, it provides a really good sound quality and value for the price. With that said, you've reached the end of the video. Comment down below if you enjoyed it and also get subscribed for more content. I'll see you in the next one. This is Half-Life.